afternoon, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss the exercise of chemical reactions, this chapter. So this you are going to get in page number 85. Exercise of chemical reactions. Okay. So this is exercise 2. Okay, exercise 2. As this is the second part of the chapter. So the first question, that is fill in the blanks. The question is a reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance is called a dash reaction. So a reaction in which two or more substances combine, so this will be a combination reaction. So question number 1A, fill in the blanks, this will be combination. Combination reaction is written only, so only combination will be enough, right? Next, a dash is a substance which changes the rate of a chemical reaction without undergoing a chemical change. So this will be catalyst. A catalyst is a substance which changes the rate of a chemical reaction without undergoing a chemical change. Next, question number C. The formation of gas bubbles in a liquid during a reaction is called effervescence. Effervescence, the formation of gas bubbles in a liquid during a reaction. Next, the reaction between an acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. In the reaction between an acid and a base is called a neutralization reaction. Okay. Next, it's a neutralization reaction. Next, question number E, soluble bases. Soluble bases are called alkalis. Soluble bases are called alkali or alkalis, you can write. Okay. Next, if the chemical change involving iron and hydrochloric acid illustrates a dash reaction. So the reaction between iron and hydrochloric acid, that means the reaction between Fe plus, suppose if we take 2HCl, so here what we are going to get in this reaction, FeCl2 plus hydrogen. So this is a displacement reaction. Iron will displace hydrogen from HCl and it will take its place and hydrogen will be removed. So this is a displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Next, question number G. In the type of reaction called dash, two compounds exchange their positive and negative radicals respectively. In the type of reaction called dash, two compounds exchange their positive and negative radicals respectively. This will be double decomposition. No? Double decomposition or double displacement also we can say. Okay, double decomposition or let me see what is given here. Both can be written. Okay, here it is given double displacement reaction. So that only we are going to write. Double displacement. Double displacement reaction. Okay, where two ions will change their, two positive and negative ions will exchange their radicals. Okay. Next, question number H. a catalyst either dash or dash the rate of a chemical change but itself remain dash in the at the end of the reaction. So it will be a catalyst either increase or decrease the rate of a chemical change. So question number, acha, here I am writing, okay, writing here H. So the first, in the first dash it will be either a catalyst either increases or decreases, the rate of a chemical change. Here two dashes are there, okay, but itself remain dash at the end of the reaction, but itself remain unaltered, unaltered, or what you can say, uh, let me check what in the book is given. Unaltered, or it will not change, only it will not change itself. So for catalyst, what we are going to see, either increases or decreases the rate of a chemical reaction but itself remain unaltered, you can write. Itself remain unaltered in a chemical change, at the end of the chemical change. Okay. Doesn't undergo any chemical change or itself remain unaltered at the end of the reaction. Next, the chemical reaction between hydrogen and chlorine is a dash reaction. So the chemical reaction between hydrogen and chlorine to produce hydrochloric acid. Okay, H2 plus, the reaction is this, H2 plus Cl2, in diffuse sunlight we are going to get 2HCl. Okay, so this is a combination reaction. So it will be a combination reaction. Okay. When a piece of copper is added to silver nitrate solution, it turns dash in color. Piece of copper is added to silver nitrate solution. So what we are going to get? Copper sulfate. So it turns dash in color. So it turns blue in color. The solution turns. Sulfur nitrate is colorless. No color is there in the solution. So when we will add copper in it, it will change to copper will remove or displace silver to get copper sulfate, and its color is blue. So so the solution will turn blue in color. Okay. Next, this I am removing. Question number 2. Classify the following reactions as combination, decomposition, displacement, and this. So the first one, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate under heat, it will produce calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this is a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Okay. And we have to balance this. So calcium carbonate plus calcium carbonate, when it will decompose, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. This reaction is already balanced. So this is, here we will write already balanced. Okay, it is already balanced, so no need to do anything with this. Next, question number B, that is zinc plus H2SO4, ZnSO4 plus H2. So this reaction is a displacement reaction. This is a displacement reaction. this displacement reaction. So here also this reaction is already balanced. So here also we are going to write already balanced. Okay, this is a displacement reaction and it is already balanced. Next, question number C. Sulfur nitrate plus sodium chloride AgCl plus NaNO3. Okay, sulfur nitrate plus sodium chloride, sulfur chloride plus NaNO3. This is a double this is, you can call precipitation reaction, as sulfur chloride as precipitation we are getting, AgCl precipitation. So this we can call precipitation reaction, or this can be called as double displacement reaction also, but here in option it is not given. So precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. Okay, and this reaction is also balanced, so no need to do anything here. So this one is already balanced. Okay, so this is today. Up to this, more are there, so that we are going to do in the next class. Okay, till then you just revise these things, and if you can, you just the rest of these things which are there, that you try to do at your home, and next day again we are going to discuss this. Okay, so take care.